In this problem, we are asked to realize or implement the Boolean expression. So here we have 6 variables A, B, C, D and E, F. So we draw all the 6 lines as the input lines. 1, 2, this is for C, D and E, F. So we name them A input line, B input line, C input line, D, E and F. Now you implement this first term A plus B. So it is OR gate. So take the connection from this A, then take the connection from this B. So they are combined using OR. So this is your OR gate. So the first term is implemented. Then go for the second term. So C, take the connection out of this. Take the connection from this D line, and they are combined using this OR gate. Then we have to implement the third term E plus F. So E, take the connection from this E line and take the connection from this F line. So we have this OR gate. So 3 OR gates are drawn, and these terms are combined using this dot product, isn't it? So dot product means it is AND gates. So we are going to combine them. Okay, that's all. We get the output here. So the output is Y. Okay. Now let's write the expression corresponding to this. Here you get A, here it is B. So it is A plus B after this OR gate. Here it is C and D. So C plus D after this. And here it is E and F. So it is E plus F. Okay, E R with F. Here you have this AND gate. This is your AND gate. These are all the OR gates, right? So the output side, you get the answer as A plus B ANDed with this C plus D, then ANDed with this E plus F. Though you are not given any dot explicitly, it indicates you have the dot product. Okay. Okay, thank you.